The 2014 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, remote engine start, keyless entry, stability control, anti-lock braking system, power lift gate, Bluetooth. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.